Let's make one more tutorial in Autodesk Fusion. In this video you'll learn how to use the Extrude and full round fillet. So open the Fusion and let's go. The first step to create this part, we will select the top plane and make this sketch. And here will be the midpoint. And the first thing that we'll make, we'll create this arc with 20 millimeters of radius and create this circle. The distance between this circle and this arc is 10 millimeters and it is concentric. And we will create a construction line here. And this construction line has 100 millimeters of length. So open the Fusion, go to create a sketch and select the top plane. Go to create, select arc, center point arc, click here in the midpoint, 20 millimeters of radius, make an arc here. And select the circle, make a circle here, and go to sketch dimension. The distance between these two, this circle and the arc is 10 millimeters, and select a line, a construction line. Make a construction line here with 100 millimeters. And go to constraints, horizontal, vertical. Make sure that this line is horizontal and this point is horizontal with the midpoint. And now we will create this line here. This line is tangent with the arc, the same for this one. And we will create this line here. This line has 20 millimeters of length, and the center of this line is coincident with this point. So select line, remove the construction line type, make this sketch here, and go to constraint, select midpoint, select this line and this point here, and select the tangent, select this line and this arc, this line and this arc, and go to sketch dimension. This line here has 20 millimeters of length. Now we will make this circle with 12 millimeters of diameter, and the distance between the center of the circle and this circle here is letter E. It is 19 millimeters. So select the circle, make a circle here with 12 millimeters of diameter, and select the sketch dimension. Click with the right button here and select the arc tangent. Select this arc here and select the center of the circle, 19 millimeters. And finish the sketch. We need to extrude this. Letter D, it is 95 millimeters. So go to extrude, select this profile and select this circle, 95 millimeters, operation new body, press OK. And here we'll make this cut in the bottom. The cut's 12 millimeters and the length here is 5 millimeters. It is this circle. And we need to extrude here the circle 5 millimeters in the top face. So show the sketch 1 and go to extrude. Select this circle, 5 millimeters, operation cut, press OK, and go to extrude again, select this circle, and the start, select the object, select this face, the distance here, 5 millimeters, operation join, and press OK. Let me show for you. Hide the sketch 1. Now we will create this profile to create a cut. So we will select the front plane and make this sketch. But first, let's take some reference. So go to create a sketch and select the front plane. And go to create, select the project included, project, the selection filter, select the body, select this body and press OK. I will hide this body a little bit. And here we will create this construction line in the center of this line here. Select the line, construction line, find the center here, make a construction line here. And here, we will create this arc. The radius here is 10 millimeters, and the center of this arc is coincident with this line. And here we have another line, and the angle between this line here and this one is 6 degrees. So let's create this. Select line, remove the construction line type. I will make a line here and an arc. And go to constraint, select the coincident, select this point and this line here. And go to sketch dimension. The angle here, 6 degrees, and the radius here, 10 millimeters. Let me move this a little bit. And here we have an arc with 15 millimeters of radius, and the center of this arc is coincident with this line. And we have an arc here with 50 millimeters of radius. So select line, click with the left button here and hold the button to create an arc. And create another arc here. Go to constraint, select the coincident, select this point and this line here, and go to sketch dimension. The radius here 15 millimeters and the radius here 50 millimeters. Make sure that the arc is tangent with the line and tangent with this arc. And here we will create another arc here with 10 millimeters of radius, and this point, the distance between this point and this line here is 20 millimeters. So go to sketch dimension, the distance here 20 millimeters, create an arc here, and go to sketch dimension. The radius here is 10 millimeters of radius. And here we have a line, and the angle between this line here and this is 15 degrees, and we have another line here. The length of this line here is 10 millimeters because this face here is a full round fillet, and the distance here is 20 millimeters. So it will be a radius here, an arc with 10 millimeters to this side and 10 millimeters to this side. And the distance between this line here and this face here is 55 millimeters. So select line, click here, make a line here and make another line here. Go to constraints, make sure that this line here is tangent with this one. And go to sketch dimension. The length here, 10 millimeters. The angle here is 15 degrees. And the distance here, 55 millimeters. We made this profile, so finish the sketch, show the body one, and go to Extrude, select this profile. The extend type is all, the direction symmetric, operation cut, and press OK. And now, we will make this fillet here. It is a full round fillet. So go to fillet, the type, select a full round fillet, select this face, and press OK. Now I will add some color here. And now we will check the questions. So go to inspect. What is the area green region? It is correct. The area yellow region. the area of the purple region. Sorry. And the region of the volume of this model. It is correct. So here we finish our exercise. So thanks for watching, subscribe my channel for more, and see you in the next videos. Bye bye.